You also are invested in gold, right?
I am, yes.
Why did you do it?
Well, gold is, a global currency. It's the same price wherever you are in the world. If disaster strikes, it works anywhere. It'll always get you home, and you can always trade it for something. Having said that, if we get to the position where we need gold and there's no more currency, we've got bigger problems.
For sure. Did you get into the topic of gold?
No, this is going to be very interesting for me because I know nothing about it.
Yeah. So gold always kind of, has to do something with inflation. So if you go into the old days of Rome, with 1 ounce, you could purchase a whole outfit, from the shoes, you get the nice robe, everything. This got you 1 ounce, and this applies approximately, this is a kind of the rule, to the modern times right now. If you have 1 ounce, 1 ounce is slightly above $2,000, $2,500 something dollar. And with this you can buy shoes, a nice suit, tie, and all of this. So this is kind of shows what inflation is all about, because you always see gold rising.
Gold has proven to be a reliable investment over time, as we recently saw. However, the increasing economic uncertainties in 2025 makes it especially crucial. Gold's enduring significance as a store of value is indicated by central banks increasing purchases of the metal. Protect your wealth now rather than waiting for the markets to show you wrong.
Can I ask one question?
Please.
As someone who has not invested in any of this, we've seen a lot of stuff here. Where should I start?
So for the beginning, I would just say...
Good question.
That's
Thanks.
a good question, yeah. So the 80-20 ratio is all over the world, the ones which are recommended by most people. So what you should do is, at first, I would say you go with some simple bars. Obviously, you need to buy them from a reliable source. It depends on the amount which you have, possible, which you can spend. And then...
Let me stop you. What is the entry-level price for...
The cheapest one, and it's also, we all know, if you buy 1 gram of gold, you will not become a millionaire from this. But let me tell you something. You need to start somewhere, okay? For example, I cannot have money in the bank. If I have it there, it's not my kind of savings. I like to have it in assets. So if you have the possibility to buy 1 gram and see if you like it or not. And then from there on, you start building up your collection. The first, 1 gram will cost you under $90, and this is where you can start.
So what you could do is you could even set yourself a target that every month you're going to put a certain amount of money, whatever you can afford to do, whether it's $20 for a coin or $90 for a small 1 gram bar. Every month you buy it and buy it. It's going to continue to go up, and you're going to build your inventory of gold.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden it's like, wow, I've got a lot of money here.
It's easier than you might imagine to begin your journey with gold and silver. Businesses that provide gold and silver at extremely low prices, such as Augusta Precious Metals, make the procedure easier. Their knowledge guarantees that your investment will yield the highest return. Investing with a reputable organization is essential to prevent expensive errors. See the last section for more on that.
Is silver a topic you went into, or you just bought gold?
I've never bought any silver. Although, silver, my theory was, if you're going to buy a big brick of something, buy it, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, gold is a stable currency, right? Silver, it's also stable, but it doesn't have the same, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong.
With silver, it has great potential. If you compare what is available in the market in terms of mining cost and everything, silver has a great potential. If you take a look at Tesla, around, not exactly, but 3 ounces of silver are in 1 Tesla. So, so if you go a little bit into this solar topic...
Did you know that?
I didn't know.
So where is the silver in a Tesla?
For every chip, you need a lot of silver. For
all,
didn't know that. So silver, but if I'm honest with you, the people are telling this for such a long time. So to give this info, to say okay, now every Tesla is the price didn't went up like crazy. But let me tell you, you always should have, let's say, 80% in gold and 20% in silver.
Silver has a distinct advantage as a precious and industrial metal, but gold has a history of steadiness. Silver may be a game changer in 2025 due to the growing demand for metal in the technology and renewable energy industries. You may balance your portfolio and get the best of both worlds by diversifying your holdings across these metals.
Yeah, this is for everyone who is younger. You really get into the topic of silver and gold. It's just nice to know, and there are some. Maybe you can always park a little bit of money there.
Yeah, it's always security, because at the end of the day, you buy a watch, one day it's skyrocketed, next day it's crashed.
Yeah.
Gold doesn't do that, at least it fluctuates, but it's never going to go down in a big amount.
Yeah, there, and if we dive right into it, obviously you just have the pure material. So we have the pure bars, which are looking like this, 10 gram.
10 grams.
And the smaller the size, let's say 1 gram, the in proportion the manufacturing costs are more.
Seeing young investors interested in precious metals is encouraging. Gold and silver aren't just for the elderly. Anyone wishing to protect themselves from inflation and economic instability would be wise to start early, as the compounding benefits give young investors a big advantage. Gold and silver are more than just assets, as we've discussed today. They're protections for your financial future during unpredictable times. And keep in mind that Augusta Precious Metals, with their outstanding service and affordable prices, is here to help you along the way. Act immediately rather than waiting for possibilities to present themselves. Visit Augusta Precious Metals by clicking the link below. You may also watch our other videos to see why gold and silver are essential investments for 2025. For more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.